The 17th edition of the VINARIUM International Wine Contest 2020. Board of VINARIUM decides organizing the VINARIUM International Wine Contest 2020 as TeleVINARIUM. The first international wine contest in the world, with international jurors tasting from across the globe, to be organized online. How does it work? Short explanation in 7 steps. 1. The samples will be received by the organizer. 2. Each sample will be assigned a unique cellar number. 3. The judging will be done with the sealed samples, according to the International Organization of Vine and Wine Regulations. 4. All the samples will be transferred to an authorized lab where each sample, under the supervision of a commission, under the highest sanitary standards, will be transferred by sterile transfer into new 100 milliliters containers pre-prepared according to adequate bottling standards. The containers will be sealed and will receive the same contest number as the source samples. The organizer will apply R or QR control keys, for internal use. 5. The samples for all the 4 days will reach each member of the jury, according to the panel they will be part of. The expedition will be made via an express delivery service. The jurors will receive the judging app and will rate on known devices. 6. Tasting sessions. The communication with the heads of each board will take place via an official dedicated platform. Each session will be opened with a general check of mandatory conditions and with the tasting and discussion of the calibration sample. The tasting and grading will take place in the regular way, identical with the offline. The jurors, as always, will not know other jurors' marks. The entire process will be monitored and video recorded. 7. For the final mark, an average is calculated after removing the highest and the lowest marks. The first top 30% of the final marks receive the awards, which are then publicly announced. The buyers will be able to recognize the VINARIUM awarded wines through the medals placed on the bottles.